EURUSD this week, starting from the Monday, has fallen in the price, where we can see that the Monday has started with this bullish candle, small one after the drop in the previous week. We can see that the price has returned back up to 1.08846, where the price has found again a resistance and has formed a bearish pin bar on Tuesday, which was a trigger to continue falling down again. And the price has dropped in those 3 days up to down to 1.07825, where the price has found a next support. From there we can see that the price has returned back up, trying to recover, but for now, as it looks right now, this support has held the price from falling further down below 1.07825. I will put here a label so we can see it is a pin bar, a bearish pin bar, and it is right here after the breakout to the downside. The price has returned back up to confirm this previous support, now acting as a resistance, and we have here on the daily time frame a bearish pin bar. So it is a great signal for the sell order, because the price has returned back up, founding a price action signal, which is a bearish one, a bearish pin bar, and it was a signal to the price will drop down to 1.07825. Let's see how this looks on a weekly time frame. The weekly time frame looks as the one before. After the strong breakout to the downside, where we can see several supports have lost their strength, this week again the price has dropped and continued to move down, and it has reached 1.07825 also on a weekly time frame. We can see that the price is trying to recover, making a retrace. Then we have seen on the daily time frame making a bearish pin bar, and the price continued to move down. We can see that the previous confluence of support and resistance on a weekly time frame did not held the price from falling down, and it has no strength to hold the price for the small support, and the price has dropped down to the next one, where we have mentioned the previous week analysis that this area between these two price levels will hold the price as a next support. Let's see on a monthly time frame how this looks. As it looks right now, it's not very good, because we can see that this month has completely been bearish right now, and it is almost a bearish engulfing bar. But the price has stopped here right on the monthly time frame support, so we will see how this will react until this month ends. If the price stays above, it will be a great signal for the price, because it will mean that the price has found enough strength to hold the price from falling further down. Because if you take a look at the next one that will the price hold is around this area here. So what we can expect in the next 1.5 weeks for this month, we will see. It is not possible to determine what will happen here on a monthly time frame, but for now we are hoping that the price will stay above, which will mean that the sellers have lost their strength and the bulls have found their strength to hold the price above 1.07825 price level. We can see that the first critical level where the price should close to stay above is this one area here, from 1.08377 up to 1.086. So this is the area that is critical on a monthly time frame for the bulls. If the price remains above, it will be a great signal for the price and also for the bulls. But if the price goes down and reaches this area here, 1.07346, this will mean that the price has lost its strength and the sellers are much stronger than the bulls. If the price goes here, then we'll see that this month has completely engulfed the previous month, and it has broken a support at 1.07825, which opens a further decline, where the first one is here 1.0666 and the next one is here 1.057. Let's see on a weekly time frame what are the critical levels. Let's see. Now the price is at 1.07825. The next area for the price is this one. So the price for the next week, if it wants to stay above in the bullish mode, it should stay above this one. But if the price goes below 1.07 1.0758, this will mean that the price will drop down and it will reach the area around this one here. So this is 1.0633. This is the next one area where the price will fall down if the price goes below that. So for the next week, if the week ends below this one, 1.075, this will mean that the price will continue to further down. If the price stays above, which is visible on a daily time frame, we will see what happens and also what are the critical levels. We will see will the price stay above, and if the price stays above 1.07825, it will mean that the price has found some kind of solid support, and from there it will make a move. Will it move again to up, or it will get back down? So for the critical levels for the bulls is currently one, this is the one, 1.084 as the first one, and the one that is the most critical is this area here. So it is the area from 1.086 up to 1.089. So these 30 pips is very critical for the bulls, which will mean if the price goes above and close the week above, it will mean that the price has recovered from this fall down, and from there the price will try to reach again 1.09860, which will mean also a confluence of resistance is preventing the price to move to higher levels. Now let's see on the daily time frame how this looks and also what are the critical levels. Okay, so the critical level that I have mentioned on the weekly analysis is this one. 1.075 is very critical for the price, we can see, and also up to here 1.073. This is on a daily time frame. So the price is currently above 1.07825 and this support is holding, but as we can see in the past, this support also was very critical for the price, so it should be not broken in order to leave the price on the higher levels. So if the next week closes below this area, the next one where the price will stop is 1.073. But if the price goes below this area here, which is 1.077 and also 76, this will mean that the price will continue to move down, and it has broken 1.07825 as support. If the price stays above, then we will have at this area here 1.0843, which is very critical for the bulls to attack again 1.08846. As it looks right now, so we are currently in the bearish mode because we can see that the price has gone outside of this uptrend channel and the price has broken these supports on a monthly time frame and also on a weekly time frame. So as it currently looks, the price has lost its strength, bull strength, so the price is now in the selling strength. So we are expecting what will happen. So if the critical level here is broken down, we can expect that the price will continue to move down. So the next support where the price will stop is around 1.06736, which is around this one here. Because we can see in the past the price has stopped around this area, and it was also a problem for the bulls to move to the higher levels. So we will need to see what will happen on a Monday, because after the Monday ends we will see will the price stay above or it will break below, which will also a decline in price in the future days. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.